What's up, Blushers? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting because I'm working with Disney again to bring you another video. If you guys didn't see my last video with Disney, I made slime that was inspired by the Disney's Nutcracker and the Four Realms. So I'm super excited for this movie to come out. It comes out November 2nd and everything looks beautiful, magical, amazing. Disney always comes through and this movie looks amazing. So I'm so excited to see it. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys slimes that are inspired by the land of snowflakes. So there's 4 different realms in this movie. There's the land of snowflakes, the land of sweets, the land of flowers, and the 4th realm. So in my last video, I created slimes that were inspired by the 4th realm, which was like a dark, mysterious land. But in this one, I'm doing something kind of opposite. There's lots of snowflakes. It's just like a beautiful, bright land. So if you guys want to see a slime that's inspired by that, then just go ahead and keep on watching.
So how I made this cloud slime was I added 4 ounces of glue to a bowl, and then I didn't add any water, but I added in some activator, and the activator that I use is 1 teaspoon borax mixed with 1 cup of water. So we're just making this classic slime with glue and activator, and that's it. We're just mixing it up, and then when it starts to pull away from the bowl, you can just take it out with your hands and then just play with it until it becomes not sticky, and you can always add more activator to make sure it's not sticky. Then in a separate container, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of fake snow, and then we're going to add in half a cup of water to activate it. And I did end up making a lot more snow because I wanted to make a bigger thing of slime. So then you just want to mix in your fake snow with your slime, and this is where the tedious part comes in because you have to keep mixing and mixing until you just can't mix anymore because it does take a while to mix it all in. But it's totally worth it, so definitely keep going at it, and this is what's going to make amazing cloud slime. Then I wanted it to be a little bit bigger, so I did end up making more slime and then adding in a lot more of the snow just to make it really, really big. So yeah, that's why it looks a lot bigger. And then I went ahead and added in a sugar cookie scent just because when I think of like snow and winter, I think of making sugar cookies in the kitchen, and it just, I don't know, I just think this is a good one that goes along with this slime. So we're making 3 different slimes, a blue, a white, and a silver color, because this slime is inspired by the land of snowflakes. And in this winter wonderland, light bounces off the cool palettes of blue, grays, and silvers, creating a truly magical setting. So I wanted to embody all the different colors of this realm, and I wanted to add in some sparkles because this land is just a stunning winter wonderland with ice castles and alpine villages. So I just wanted to embody the beauty and the cool tones of this realm. So I love how the slime looked all mixed together, and I think I pretty much perfected my cloud slime. So let me know if you guys end up trying out this recipe, and let me know your guys' thoughts down below.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know if you guys are planning to go and see the Nutcracker in the Four Realms. It comes out November 2nd and I'm just pumped to go and see this. I can't wait to see what happens in the Land of Snowflakes. It looks beautiful from the trailer, so definitely make sure you guys go and watch it. And yeah, I hope you guys all have a great day. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Peace.